What's up guys, this is Sean Heather and today we are going to have a quick review of Noerden LIZ smart bottle that comes with self-cleaning and ultraviolet sterilization features. So let's start it. LIZ comes with germicidal UVC light that breaks apart the germ DNA, leaving them unable to function. So in less than 5 minutes, it purifies the water and removes the harmful viruses and odor-causing bacteria from the water. You can use both hot or cold beverage with LIZ. The insulation is of high quality and it keeps the beverage hot or cold up to 24 hours. The lid of LIZ is touch responsive and comes with a smart feature. So if you tap once on the lid, then it will show you the temperature range of the beverage to give you the idea that how cold or hot is the beverage inside. If LIZ shows the red color, that means the beverage temperature is more than 60 degrees Celsius. If the LED light is yellow, that means it is between 36.5 to 60 degrees Celsius. And if the color of the lid is blue, then it means that the temperature is below 36.5 degrees Celsius. If you tap twice on the lid, then LIZ will sterilize your water or the bottle itself. And LIZ remembers when was the last time when you tap on the lid. So if you do not touch the lid for 2 hours, then LIZ will blink to remind you that it is time to drink some water and get hydrated. Talking about the build quality and design, Noerden LIZ is made of surgical grade stainless steel. It is heavy metal free, the lid is anti-leak and the food grade BPA free plastic is used. The design of LIZ smart bottle is beautiful and very premium looking. The matte finish exterior with metal texture looks beautiful and gives very premium appearance to the bottle. Because of the matte finish, it feels so good while holding it in the hand. The smooth curves and symmetrical body looks nice from top to bottom. One drawback of the design of LIZ is that it comes with a unique and especially designed magnetic charging cable. So if you forget to bring your LIZ USB cable or it is lost or damaged, then the LIZ smart bottle will be pretty unusable and you will have to get a brand new one because you won't be able to charge your LIZ smart bottle without this specially designed magnetic USB cable. The magnet used in the USB cable is not so strong and it gets off from the lid very easily if there is any movement. LIZ is available in two sizes. Either you can go with 350 ml, the small bottle variant, or you can get the 480 ml variant, the one you can see in this video. It would be nice if the LIZ smart bottle was available with the capability of storing at least 1 liter of water. If you use the LIZ smart bottle to UV sterilize the water once per day, then the battery lasts nearly a month. So even if you sterilize the water multiple times, 4-5 times in a day, then still it will last nearly a week. LIZ comes with the standard cup holder size, so you can use it anywhere you want. It weighs just 325 grams, so you can carry it anywhere easily. The smart hydration reminder feature gets turned on by itself if the beverage temperature is less than 60 degrees Celsius. And if you do not touch the lid of the LIZ smart bottle, then the lid of the LIZ smart bottle will start blinking after 2 hours to remind you to get hydrated. One drawback here is that if you touch the lid or open it, then the 2-hour timer will start over even if you do not drink anything. So it would be nice if there was a volume measurement feature as well in LIZ smart bottle to check and verify whether the user really drank the water or not. To sterilize the water or the bottle itself, all you have to do is just tap twice on the lid and the UV sterilization process will be started. During the process, the lid of the LIZ smart bottle will keep flashing in white color slowly. It takes nearly 5 minutes for the process to be completed. If you want to stop it midway, you can just tap twice on the center of the lid to stop the UV sterilization process. Another smart feature of LIZ smart bottle is that if the UV sterilization process is going on and if you open the lid, then the safe mode feature will automatically start and the UV sterilization process will be stopped to avoid any damage from the ultraviolet rays to the user. Overall, Noerden LIZ smart bottle is a very useful and nice gadget that you can use in your daily life. The design and build quality is very nice It comes with lots of smart features along with the primary feature of UV sterilization. So that's all for now friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this useful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel. Do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads, and I'll see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.